Hi guys, we're trying to do the front brake on the Q50 2018. So before we jack up the car, we're gonna open the nut first, and then we're gonna remove the tire, and then let's start working on it. Okay, we're gonna open the reservoir, but and then we're gonna open this nut right here, 14 millimeter, two of them for the caliper. This one and this one. Yeah, going towards the clockwise. $14mm. Top and bottom is the same size. And then move the caliper. If you have a hanger, it's better to put the hanger, but I don't have a hanger, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Okay, this is the OEM. That's the model number right here. Part number. Okay, let's remove this one and then clean it up. Then we're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna clean it up. I need grease. More. We need more. Good. And then we're gonna just use this, the pad bra again.
Is this almost done?
Yeah, like a halfway. You could go like more.
More?
But you say you replaced the rear brake from the bigger tire. They told you to change it.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna apply brake grease. And then this one, you see right there pin. You just put it on, put it down, and then that's it. Okay. Yeah, you can turn the wheel and then do easier, but since we start like this. Okay, now we need to push the caliper. Use a C clamp, and then use the old brake. Can you hold this? Come this side, come this side. To the zone, this side. You can come a little bit up. Yeah. Okay, so turn it counterclock. So we're gonna lock it starway. Okay, after you're done, you just press all until they're firm. Okay. And then put the reservoir caps. All set. Thank you for watching.